Seriously, when will this stop? It just will not stop. All day, all night. Breaks for maybe an hour or two throughout the day. And then light sprinkles. It will just not stop. Hoi An is flooded. And to the north is flooded. They call it Da Nang, but it's not Da Nang. It's like 2 hours from here. And the streets here, certain areas get a little flooded, and there's a little flooding across the river on the other side of the Dragon Bridge. And the river's getting pretty, the levels are going up. But I'm beginning to think I came here in the wrong time. No joke, this rainy season here. 7 days straight.